All right, it's Friday afternoon, and hopefully it's not too windy out here to catch my audio, but just waiting on my customer, Doug Hill, to show up to pick up this rolling chassis build we did for him. It's based on our typical Buell roller package that's designed to accept Buell wheels, forks, and other major components. And it looks like Doug just got here, so maybe we'll get lucky and get him to talk a little bit about his order. What do you think, Doug?
You know, it's everything that I expected it would be. It's really nice. It's perfect. All the special little features on the construction that we talked about, and all the finishing details are exactly like we planned.
What was your overall vision for the bike you wanted as far as looks and handling and styling? And
I want the front range. I'm not a motorcycle guy, but I wanted to come to you to depend on your professionalism. And I wanted to translate my
vision.
Ideas into
Yeah.
what you could do for me. I'm really pleased with it.
I think it looks mean. I think it looks like a racer.
I just wish the electrical was on there so we could drive it home.
I know it. Just a little bit of plumbing. What we got left to do, Doug? Plumbing, painting, wiring, and you're down the road. So.
You know, I was skeptical about the chain tightener and the chain guard. That worked out perfect. I'm happy.
Yeah, and I'll be honest, I don't normally do chain guards because, you know, I'm more into the raw look, but yeah, I think that one looks fine. It's a Paco one that I picked up for you. And
I'm an old man. It's a safety thing.
Absolutely.
If I put my wife on the back, I don't take any chances.
Well, being in the aircraft industry, safety is probably all you get the chance to think about.
It's a factor.
But I like the black Buell wheels. I think that worked out real well. I think those black wheels are going to be good.
I'm going to keep those.
Yeah, I like black wheels. I think that's... Oh, that fits you nice, Doug. That fits you nice. You don't have a brake, so don't let it roll on you.
It's perfect.
It fits you good. Boy, you look like you're gloved in there.
Like a biker.
Yeah. Well, anyway, folks, I just wanted to thank Doug Hill for his business, and he's going to take this baby back to Nebraska and finish it up in his aircraft shop, and I imagine it's going to be beautiful when he's done with his part. I sure hope so, Doug. Thanks a lot.